This is why you need to visit Italy in 2024. Italy. The name alone conjures up images of ancient ruins, rolling vineyards, and passionate people. This country, with its rich tapestry of history and culture, has been a beacon for travelers from all corners of the globe. The allure of Italy is timeless, and as we look forward to 2024, it remains a top destination for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. This European gem has captivated travelers for centuries, and 2024 is no different. The charm of Italy lies not just in its famous landmarks, but also in the everyday moments that make each visit unique. Imagine strolling through bustling markets, sipping espresso at a quaint cafe, or simply soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of an Italian piazza. Whether you're drawn to the historical echoes of Rome, the artistic treasures of Florence, or the romantic canals of Venice, Italy offers an unforgettable experience. Each city has its own distinct character and story to tell. Rome, with its ancient ruins and grand architecture, takes you back in time. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, dazzles with its art and culture. Venice, with its winding canals and historic bridges, offers a romantic escape like no other. But beyond the iconic cities lie hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Venture off the beaten path and you'll find charming towns and villages that offer a glimpse into the authentic Italian way of life. These lesser-known destinations are perfect for those who seek tranquility and a deeper connection with the local culture. From the rugged coastline of Cinque Terre to the sun-drenched shores of Puglia, Italy's diverse regions promise something for every type of traveler. The natural beauty of Italy is unparalleled, with landscapes that range from rolling hills and lush vineyards to pristine beaches and dramatic cliffs. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a beach lover, Italy has something to offer. Why should Italy be at the top of your travel list for 2024? The reasons are endless. Italy is a country that seamlessly blends history, art, culture, and natural beauty. It's a place where every corner has a story and every meal is a celebration of flavors. Italy is a country that seamlessly blends history, art, culture, and natural beauty. It's a place where you can wander through ancient ruins in the morning, savor a delicious plate of pasta for lunch, and marvel at Renaissance masterpieces in the afternoon. The country's rich heritage is evident in its well-preserved historical sites, world-class museums, and vibrant cultural festivals. It's a place where you can wander through ancient ruins in the morning, savor a delicious plate of pasta for lunch, and marvel at Renaissance masterpieces in the afternoon. The culinary delights of Italy are a journey in themselves, with each region offering its own specialties and traditions. From the hearty dishes of the north to the fresh Mediterranean flavors of the south, Italian cuisine is a feast for the senses. But it's the warmth of the Italian people, their passion for life, and their love of good food and company that will truly capture your heart. The Italian lifestyle is all about enjoying the simple pleasures of life, whether it's sharing a meal with loved ones, taking a leisurely stroll through the countryside, or simply savoring a glass of wine as the sun sets. So pack your bags, grab your phrasebook, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Italy. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Italy promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. The memories you make here will be cherished for a lifetime, and the stories you'll have to tell will inspire others to embark on their own Italian adventure. No trip to Italy is complete without experiencing its iconic cities. These cities are not just destinations. They are living museums, each with its own unique charm and history that beckon travelers from around the world. Rome, the Eternal City, is a captivating blend of ancient history and modern vibrancy. From the grandeur of its ancient ruins to the lively streets filled with cafes and shops, Rome offers a journey through time. Walk in the footsteps of gladiators at the Colosseum, where echoes of ancient battles still linger in the air. This iconic amphitheater stands as a testament to Rome's imperial past. Toss a coin in the Trevi fountain for good luck, ensuring your return to this magical city. The fountain's Baroque beauty and the legend behind it make it a must-visit spot, and explore the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Home to the Pope and a treasure trove of art and history, the Vatican is a spiritual and cultural heart of Rome. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is an art lover's paradise. The city is a canvas of artistic masterpieces, from its architecture to its world-renowned museums. Lose yourself in the beauty of Michelangelo's David, a symbol of human perfection and artistic genius. This statue is a highlight of Florence's rich artistic heritage. Marvel at the Duomo's iconic dome, an engineering marvel of its time. Climb to the top for a breathtaking view of the city and the Tuscan countryside beyond. And stroll across the Ponte Vecchio, the only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during World War II. This historic bridge, lined with shops, offers a glimpse into Florence's past. Venice, the city built on water, offers a truly unique travel experience. Its network of canals and historic architecture create a romantic and enchanting atmosphere. Glide along the canals in a gondola, a quintessential Venetian experience. As you float through the waterways, you'll see the city from a perspective that has remained unchanged for centuries. Explore the Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Venetian Gothic architecture. This grand building tells the story of Venice's political and cultural history, and get lost in the labyrinthine streets and alleyways. Each turn reveals hidden gems, from quaint cafes to artisan shops, making every wonder an adventure. These cities are undeniably crowded, especially during peak season. The influx of tourists can be overwhelming, but it also adds to the vibrant energy of these historic places. But don't let that deter you. The crowds are a testament to the allure of these cities, and with a bit of patience you can still enjoy their splendor. With a little planning and an adventurous spirit, you can escape the crowds and discover the heart and soul of these Italian treasures. Seek out lesser-known attractions and local favorites to experience a more authentic side of these cities. Wake up early to explore before the tourist buses arrive. The early morning light casts a magical glow over the cities, and you'll have popular sights almost to yourself. Seek out local trattorias tucked away on side streets. These hidden gems offer delicious, authentic cuisine and a chance to dine like a local. And embrace the art of getting lost in these enchanting cities. Sometimes the best experiences come from unplanned adventures and spontaneous discoveries. As the sun sets over the Italian countryside, you'll find yourself reflecting on the day's adventures. Each moment spent in Rome, Florence, and Venice will leave an indelible mark on your heart, making you yearn for your next visit to these timeless cities. While the major cities are undeniably alluring, Italy's true charm often lies in its lesser-known destinations. Cinque Terre, a string of 5 colourful villages perched on the rugged Italian Riviera coastline, is a hiker's paradise. Connected by a network of scenic trails, each village offers breathtaking views of the Ligurian Sea. Hike between the villages, stopping to savour fresh seafood and local wines, and soak up the laid-back atmosphere of this coastal paradise. Puglia, located in the heel of Italy's boot, is a region of ancient olive groves, whitewashed villages, and crystal-clear waters. Explore the unique trulli houses of Alberobello, relax on the pristine beaches of the Salento Peninsula, and delve into the region's rich history and culture. These hidden gems offer a glimpse into the authentic heart of Italy. You'll encounter fewer crowds, experience a slower pace of life, and have the opportunity to connect with locals and immerse yourself in the true spirit of Italian hospitality. Section 4. Standing in awe of Italy's architectural marvels. Italy is an open-air museum, boasting an unparalleled collection of architectural wonders that span millennia. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the grandiose cathedrals of the Renaissance, Italy's architectural landscape is a testament to its rich and varied history. Each corner of this beautiful country offers a new story, a new marvel to behold. From ancient Roman ruins to Renaissance masterpieces, each structure tells a story and offers a glimpse into Italy's rich history and artistic legacy. The ancient Roman structures, with their grand columns and intricate carvings, speak of a time when Rome was the center of the world. Meanwhile, the Renaissance buildings, with their elegant facades and innovative designs, reflect a period of rebirth and creativity that has left an indelible mark on the world. Stand in awe of the Colosseum, the largest amphitheater ever built, and imagine the roar of the crowd as gladiators battled for glory. This iconic structure, with its massive stone arches and tiered seating, is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of the might and grandeur of ancient Rome. As you walk through its corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, the cheers of the spectators and the clash of swords. Marvel at the Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural anomaly that has become an enduring symbol of Italy. This freestanding bell tower, with its unintended tilt, is a testament to the challenges and triumphs of medieval engineering. Despite its precarious angle, the tower has stood the test of time, drawing millions of visitors who come to marvel at its unique beauty and take the iconic photo of pretending to hold it up. Step inside the Duomo in Florence, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture, and gaze up at Brunelleschi's iconic dome. This magnificent cathedral, with its intricate facade and soaring dome, is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the Renaissance. As you stand beneath the dome, you can't help but be awed by the sheer scale and beauty of this architectural wonder. Explore the ruins of Pompeii, a haunting reminder of the power of nature and a glimpse into Roman life centuries ago. This ancient city, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, offers a unique window into the daily lives of its inhabitants. As you walk through the streets of Pompeii, you can see the remains of homes, shops and public buildings, all preserved in remarkable detail. These architectural marvels are not just structures, they are testaments to human ingenuity, creativity, and the enduring power of the past. Each building, each ruin, tells a story of the people who built it, the society they lived in, and the challenges they faced. They are a reminder of the incredible achievements of our ancestors and a source of inspiration for future generations. Don't just observe them from a distance. Engage with these historical sites, learn their stories, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Italy's architectural heritage. Take guided tours, attend concerts or performances held within these historic venues, and imagine yourself transported back in time. Feel the history come alive as you walk through ancient corridors, stand beneath towering domes, and explore the remnants of a bygone era. Italy's architectural marvels are not just to be seen, they are to be experienced, felt, and cherished. Section 5. Immersing yourself in Italy's cultural tapestry. Italy's cultural tapestry is as rich and varied as its landscape. From traditional festivals to local crafts and time-honored traditions, Italy offers countless opportunities to immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. Experience the excitement of Siena's Palio, a bareback horse race held twice a year in the heart of the city. Witness the colorful spectacle of Venice's Carnival, where elaborate masks and costumes transport you to another era. Learn the art of making pasta from scratch during a cooking class in Bologna, the culinary capital of Italy. Explore local markets, engage with artisans, and participate in traditional celebrations. Embrace the Italian passion for life, their love of food, family, and tradition. These cultural experiences will enrich your journey and leave you with a deeper understanding and appreciation for the Italian way of life. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with locals, even if you don't speak the language. A smile and a willingness to try go a long way in Italy. So why wait? Plan your trip to Italy today and uncover the rich cultural and historical heritage that awaits you. Your adventure in Italy is just a step away. Start your journey now and create memories that will last a lifetime.